Hello everybody, on today's video we have this 4K PoE camera system that has local storage with no monthly fees, 4 8 megapixel 4K turret cameras as well. And this thing has an 8-channel 4K NVR with a pre-installed 2 terabyte hard drive that comes with PoE Ethernet cables, mounting hardware, power adapters, and clean packaging. Everything you need to get up and running is included, no extra purchases and no guesswork. You have 24/7 recording with a 2 terabyte hard drive, expandable all the way up to 16 terabytes with no monthly fees. All footage is stored securely and encrypted locally, no subscriptions at all. Here's everything that is included inside the box. You have true 4K Ultra HD clarity at 8 megapixels, capture nearly 4 times the detail of 1080p, making faces and plates nice and clear. You can plug up to 8 cameras at once with 24/7 recording, and the setup is so easy. Just plug in, turn on, and you are all set to go. Plug and play PoE setup. One Ethernet cable provides power and video up to 330 feet with no quality loss, and you have remote viewing and smart integration as well, so you can view those live recorded views, and you have instant alerts and custom zones. Get real-time app and email notifications, set destination zones, line crossing alerts, schedules, and do not disturb. It also has that AI human and vehicle detection, so advanced AI reduces false alerts from rain, bugs, and you know what, other places as well. You can view all feeds at once or select a feed of your choice, and I'm telling you, these cameras are so clear, and has 3 smart night vision modes as well. Choose between infrared, full color, or smart night vision. That smart night vision automatically switches between black and white and color. And mounting this thing, so easy. All you have to do is use the included hardware, put that little sticker up top, and it can be installed indoors or outdoors, and has the installation which is fast and simple thanks to the PoE. Stop paying those monthly fees and sacrificing security and start storing your footage locally with this 4K PoE camera system.